A very warm welcome to the weekly round through the crypto markets. My name is Jan Robers at the Crypto Academy, and based on the Trade Navigator, I would like to point out three cryptos to take a look at. And the first one is XTZ, and it's not XTC with a C but with a Z. It's Tezos, and you see here around $3 a re-entry, a buy signal already in generated in beginning of January, mid-January, still a buy. And the other one is Cardano, is ADA, that is still a buying opportunity because it's still in the green zone. In the background you can see that it's now trading around $5 Would be great if it can boost to the $7. That means 40% upside potential for the midterm, longer term even. And the other one is Cardano. The other one was Golem. And the ticker symbol GNT USD. We'll take the price of Bitfinex for instance. Here it is a buy around $7, between $6 and $7, and now also retracing a little bit at that, but in my opinion is a very great buying opportunity in the correction, and still the buy signal is there. However, the market must not sell off too much because then the sell signal will be generated soon. For our swing trading portfolio, I took some positions even on BNB again, also on Cardano, and the other one, Golem, will put soon. So if you would like to take a look for more information, go to Trade Navigator methods, and also on cryptoacademy.nl you can see more information. I wish you a very pleasant evening. Hasta la vista. Bye.